Hi, this is Jeremy Bradshaw again. This is one of my new listings here. This is a beautiful 2023 Tiara 48 LS Luxury Sport. So come on in, we'll kind of go through some of the cool features on it. This one does have the 600 V6s back here. This boat also has your gyro. Plenty of room here in the back. This seat spins all the way around, so it's great for entertaining. You can come on board if you like. Lots of seating right here. Great boat for entertaining because you've got your grill, all your stuff right here, you know, for cooking snacks or dinner and entertaining and things along that line. You have air conditioning out here as well. TV that drops down. So let's go to the bow real quick. So very high sides, and this one only has 41 hours on it. You have the balance of the warranty from Tiara for 5 years, balance of the 3-year warranties on the engines. Then we've got the optional sunshade right here. Beautiful seating up here, very, very comfortable. And this is what I like about the boat. The helm area, you can close these doors right here to fully enclose the helm with, and of course you've got air conditioning in here. Very good view all the way around. Here at the dash, we've got joystick docking, and on top of that you do a bow thruster, which is kind of cool. So you have both. 24-inch Garmin right here, 212s right here, and this actually goes up and down. So if you want to keep it nice and cool, this is the way I do it. If you know it's cool outside and you want to communicate with your guests, it works out great. So down at our cabin, we have, you can come this way. So this is going to be your island berth right here, and TV. Lots and lots of headroom, made distributions right here. And this is where you're going to have your seat keeper, your ignitions, and things along that line. Then we have an enclosed head right here with full shower. Whoop, sorry. Beautiful. Then we come down here and we have 2 bunk beds on each side. You get a filler cushion that goes in, so this makes into a full bed. So you could sleep, you know, 4 comfortably for an extended weekend. And Tiara is known for very high quality, very good fit and finish, and excellent layout. So this is the biggest 48 that they build. This one's available in this and another floor plan layout. But just to recap, beautiful 23 48 LS, trip 600s, 41 hours, does have seat keeper. This one's also on display at the Fort Lauderdale Boat Show. If you'd like more information, feel free to give me a call. Again, my name's Jeremy Bradshaw, the listing broker. My number is 941-376-3345. Thank you for taking the time. Hope to talk to you soon. Bye-bye.